Bitcoin and ETH has fetched this signal. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. And today I'm going to give you a shocking news. And it's quite urgent news actually. So now look at the Bitcoin. So last time I have mentioned we have already entered the oversold zone. So we just need a confirmation for the buy signal, right? So now we have this basically is almost go above this, all right? Go above the 30 level. So basically when they go above 30 level is one of our buying signal. I want to show you one more thing. In my indicator, the blue line is the long term. So basically it's very sensitive. We are still in the downward trend. So just remember this one can go rebounds and go back again. Depends on the momentum. And look at my another indicator. I use 21 as the figures. So it's more sensitive and it is already just above this line. And you see how accurate it is? It's like just above. And I want to show you also this number indicator. So it also has fresh number one. What does it mean, number one? It means the first candle to go up. Okay. So usually it's like a 9 candle for the whole cycle. It's possible sometimes it doesn't complete the cycle. It just means the momentum is going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. Okay. It just means it's declining the momentum. Okay. So now we are freshing the first candle here, and RSI has just go above 30 and above this red line, right? So I remember there's one comment say, oh, this indicator is a lie. There's no indicator work for this. And then they say, oh, you are not buying the lowest point. Yes, you can buy this candle, but I mean, how? You need to have a strategy, right? Of course, you can look at 60 minutes or 30 minutes to buy, but they will have more fall signal. Remember, rule number one, don't lose money, okay? So I try to protect you guys. And many people, like last time I have mentioned in my video, in the previous video, we haven't fetched the buying signal yet, so we don't do anything. And now we fetch the buying signal. Plus, I also mentioned this one is one of our peak. So if you follow my channel and if you want to maximize your profit, basically you will have sold around 31 or 30 this level, okay? And now you buy back around 26.5 thousand, okay? So which is pretty good, save you a lot of money, right? How much is it? Let me see. So let's say you buy back today, I save you around 18%, 19% of I save the cost, right? So you save 19% is pretty good, right? So also one more indicator, this one is also inside my indicator bundle. This called trips entry. So basically when you happen to have this green bar happen, it means some organization come in, some big fish come in. So when they disappear and you would expect some value go up. It's possible it continue to go up, go down. Look at here. The green bar happen, they go down again. The green bar happen, they go down again. Sometimes it take more time for the organization to come in. For example, this one, green bar happen, they still go down. So we need to match with other indicator to see this is a downward trend or upward trend. Has it finished or not? Okay, the best one, the best candle, if you really want to like, well, I'm not your financial advisor, but the best strategy is to buy when the candle go above this blue line, okay? And this is one of the confirmation. This is in the upward trend, okay? So, but now we have the first signal. So if you want to buy really low point, this is one of the signal you can consider. Okay, so now look at the ETH. ETH actually has shown us the same things. Very similar, but ETH is slightly faster than Bitcoin this time. So far, already up for 3%. Okay, so now ETH. So you see, first, the RSI already go above 30. So, and these chips happen. And basically today, it disappeared, the chips, okay? So it could be the start of the rally. And you see, they just go above this red line. So it's quite accurate, right? If you just have one indicator, this one is fine. You see? So we just need this red line to turn around to go upward to confirm this is a strong rally, strong going up, okay? So this blue line is still going down. So we would say this is a short-term rebound, and it's possible it go down again, okay? But I want to show you one more chart about this one is our weekly chart. This is Gaussian channel. So it's free indicator. So you can see this is a big trend. When this one is a green zone, this is going up. When this is red zone, it's going down. It's the bear market. Don't tell me this one cannot detect the top, cannot detect the bottom, but they can give you a roughly idea where are we right now, okay? So from the green, this is the bull market. From the red, this is a bear market. Now we refresh the green zone here, okay? So basically, you can see here, it is possible it come down even lower to the middle line for the support. The worst scenario, they even come down to this line as a support. Even sometimes they go below this green line to test the market and they go all the way back up. It's possible, but this one just confirm you, we have flashed the green line and in long term, we look good, okay? And it's just beginning of the green line here. So let's see how it goes. I want to show you like in the previous market, what happened is 215, when they hit this Gaussian channel, basically, they stay above this green zone, the green band, okay? But in 219, they come back to the middle line and then try to test it as a support. They go up again, they bounce down again. And then they go up, they bounce down again, and then they go up and use this band, the upper band, as a support, and they go all the way up, okay? So far, right now, we are using this, we are testing the middle line also. See here, around 25,000. But so far we have flashed the first buy signal for the channel. So let's see how it goes. But for short term, we will have a chance to go up a little bit, and then it's possible they bounce back again. But the good thing is in very long term, this one is confirmed this is a bull market, okay? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my email list. If you want me to analyze your stock or crypto, give me a hint. You can put the symbol below. You can put maximum 2 symbol, 2 code for stock or crypto. So I will send you my indicator, the page for you to analyze it, okay? So very easy. Or you can subscribe to this indicator also. So it's a bundle. You can unsubscribe anytime to help you to analyze when to buy, when to sell easier. And remember, this one would be a short-term trade. Unless you're a long-term holder, you can also long-term hold. But if you want to maximize your profit, you can hold it for short-term, okay? So possible they go up, and they go, I guess this one will turn around, and they hit the blue line. It's possible we come down again, okay? So let's see how it goes. So far we have the buy signal with the RSI strategy. So you will expect some good profit here, okay? I'm not saying here is the beginning of the bull market. I mean, you will still come down to test some support line, okay? Now it's beginning for long term, okay? But still, we still, it's never every day go out. You have to understand, okay? I know some subscribers, some follower, they expect to buy one stock and then every day they go up by 1%. There is no such stock. They always to up, down, up, down, up, down. But if you look at the big picture, we are basically we confirm we are in the bull market. You have to understand this. And I know some of you actually waiting for a lower low, like low as the previous low. But what if it doesn't come, right? What if it doesn't come back? What if, because it's possible we already formed the 2 bottom already, okay? It's possible. So I see you in the next video. So have a good day. This is the update today. I hope you like this kind of video, and I hope I can share some information for you to make more money. Don't lose too much money on the crypto again. It just kind of sad for me to see people don't learn before they earn. Okay, so you always have to learn before you earn. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.